Hi, my name is Thomas, representing Schmidt Bender, the premium rifle scope manufacturer since 1957. Today, I would like to introduce you to our Klassik Series. The Klassik Series stands for something very simple: proven performance when it matters most. For decades, these rifle scopes have been trusted by hunters all over the world, combining ruggedness, reliability, and outstanding optical performance in a timeless design. Over the years, our engineers have continuously refined and improved them without ever losing sight of their core purpose. Every Klassik scope is built using premium shot glass, delivering excellent light transmission and crystal clear image quality, even in challenging conditions. The slim 30mm tube and its classic design with mechanicals engravings make these scopes a perfect match for traditional rifles, allowing for a low, elegant mounting position. With improved illuminated reticles in the first focal plane, in most Klassik scopes, you always stay in control no matter the situation. The Klassik Series consists of 4 models, each designed for specific hunting applications. The 2.5 to 10x56 is your go-to scope for low light conditions. With its large 56mm objective and outstanding light transmission of about 94%, it performs exceptionally well at dusk or even at night. It is perfect for hide hunting, delivering a bright, high-contrast image when it matters most. The 3 to 12x42 is the most compact model in the series. Its slim 42mm objective allows for very low mounting, improving rifle handling and balance. Lightweight, rugged, and precise, it is perfect for hunters who value elegance and a clean, traditional setup. Also, you can choose between a simple hunting or tactical reticle and optional BDC turrets, which makes it a very versatile rifle scope. The 3 to 12x50 is the true all-rounder. Whether stalking, hunting from a stand, or shooting at longer distances, this scope delivers consistent performance. Built on the foundation of our legendary 3 to 12x50 PM2, it combines versatility with proven precision, built to last from generation to generation. And finally, the 4 to 16x50, built for precision at longer distances. With up to 16-time magnification, precise engraved parallax adjustment starting at 50 meters up to infinity, it is perfectly suited for both hunting and target shooting. The Schmidt Bender Klassik Series. Timeless design, proven performance. I would like to encourage you to visit our website for checking out all options we are offering. If you do have any questions, please contact us on social media or per email. Thank you for watching.